In this video, I am trying to share how to create a programming question. So initially, when we log into this window, click on plus symbol and then select single question. And under question subtype, you need to select single file programming question. And here under subtopic, you can consider select, I want to give constructor overloading question. So you can choose the topic accordingly. Constructor, oops, Java. This is the topic I selected. And under this text editor, type the question which you want to give. Here is the question that I gave to write to perform constructor overloading. And I'm choosing the language as Java 17. And then try to click on solutions and test cases. Click on Java 17. Add edit solution. Here in this window, we need to provide a solution. So here I already kept ready the solution for the program that I gave. So I'm pasting that program. And once the solution is provided, you need to click on this best solution. You have the option of providing many solutions and you can select one among them as the best solution. But here I want to give only one solution and I'm selecting that as best solution. And here if you give the input, you can test whether the solution provided by you is correct or not by clicking the input here and click on run button. If you give choice as to, you need to provide some amount for the constructor to get initialized. I'm just displaying that amount. Program is very simple one. If I provide other than 1 and 2 options, it is going to give you invalid choice. So this program is working fine. So we need to save it. So our solution got added to this. Now we need to add test cases for this. So here, if I want to give the choice as 1 and click on run button, I got the output as 1000. So this test case can be made a sample test case. Click on save, click on add test case. So if I want to provide another sample test case, how the program behaves, if the option is 2, then we need to enter 2 and amount also should be entered. The compilation output is going to be, and I want this test case also to be made as sample test case. Click on add test case. And I want to know that I want end user to know that if I provide sample input as 3, the compilation output is going to be invalid choice. So I want this also to be made as sample test case. So click on this check button and add test case. So now you can provide test cases which are having some weightage. If I provide 1, compilation output is 1000 and this weightage I want it to be 33%. So click on easy and add test case. So another test case I want to make with the input option 2. And this I don't want to make it as sample test case. So I'm not clicking on this. Wait, if it is not a sample test case, then we need to provide the weightage. So another test case also I want to make with the input choice as 345. Then when you run with this input, compilation output should be invalid choice. So for this, I want to make the weightage as 34%. So when we sum up this, it should become 100%. Otherwise, the error which we got earlier is going to be displayed. So I'm clicking on save. So I added the test cases. I also added the solution. So with this, we are done with creating a programming question. Hope you understood. Thank you.